Hey everyone, want to record your Google Meet calls for classes, meetings, or interviews? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to record Google Meet using OBS Studio. 100% free and reliable in 2025. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open Google Meet. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Start or join your video call just like you normally would. Keep the tab ready in the background. Now we'll set up OBS. Step 2. Launch OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio on your computer. If you don't have it yet, download it from obsproject.com. It's free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Step 3. After it's downloaded, you need to go in there. As I already have it in my laptop, I will directly go to it and tell you all the process you need to know. As for the step 3, add display capture. Inside OBS, go to the bottom and click the plus in the source. As you can see, I am already recording a video, this one, using the OBS. So if you want to record your full screen or window capture, to record only the Google Meet, name it something like Google Meet recording and then hit OK. I'll press the plus here and you can see there is some option. You will choose this one and will follow the process I tell you. Then if you go to the settings here, you can adjust your audio settings. Make sure your microphone is listed in the audio mixer. As you can see, mine is already connected and I'm speaking very clearly through it. You can check levels by speaking and playing a test sound. And as for the start recording, you can see there are some options. My recording is already started, so I don't need to start recording anymore. That button which says stop recording is the one which says the start recording option, so you can just click on that and it will start recording. And if you want to stop, then you can simply click on that which is showing up on my screen and it will stop recording already. Also, when done, you need to minimize it and go back to your Google Meet and continue your call as usual. When done, come back to OBS and click stop recording. Your video will be automatically saved to your video folder. You choose from it from the settings. I'll talk to you about it in another video if possible. And that's it. Now you know how to record Google Meet calls like a pro. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching.